Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Inequations Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on inequations. We have 10 examples here that you can work on. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure what to do, if you go to the last slide, there is a link which will take you to the lesson. If you click on the link, it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like, then I'll move on to the next slide, which gives us the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So these provide the answers now, so you can check how you went. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.